Welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into a crucial topic for car enthusiasts and mechanics alike. How to determine if your engine's cylinder block needs replacement or repair. Stay tuned as we walk you through the step-by-step process of inspecting the cylinder block. Before starting, make sure that you have the right tools. You need a torque wrench, a dial gauge and a flashlight, and a mechanic's mirror. Also, don't forget your safety gears or the PPs, the safety glasses and the gloves. First, let's identify the symptoms of a damaged cylinder block. Check for excessive oil consumptions or coolant leaks, low compression or unusual engine noises. These could be signs of a cracked or worn engine block. Carefully remove the engine block from your vehicle. Make sure you follow your vehicle's service manual for the detailed instructions for the de-assembly process. Now it's time to inspect the cylinder block for visual cracks. For cracks, wrapping or damages, use a flashlight and a mechanic's mirror to check the hard to see areas. Cracks and wrappings are major indicators that a replacement of your engine block might be necessary. Measure the cylinder walls with a dial gauge to check for excessive wear or out of round conditions. If the measurements exceed the manufacturer's specifications, the block might need machining or replacement. Perform a compression test to check if all the cylinders are within the acceptable limits. A significant drop in compression can indicate internal block related issues. If you are unsure about the results, consult with a professional mechanic. They can provide a detailed assessment regarding your block needs a repair or a replacement. Based on your inspection, decide your cylinder block can be reused with machining or repairs, or it needs a complete replacement. Consider factors like cost, availability of parts and overall condition of your cylinder block. That's it for today's guide on inspecting your cylinder block. We'll be uploading similar videos on a daily basis, so please subscribe to us for regular content. If you like this video and it was useful, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments below. I'll definitely respond back to you. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.